If you're on the fence about whether to choose WordPress for your next website, then you're in the right place. Hey everyone, I'm Kelly Sparks, and today I'm going to show you why I love WordPress so much and why you should too. The first reason is that you have complete control of your website. If you're not happy with the hosting, you can move your website somewhere else. You don't have to worry about changing from a different platform, whereas if you were unhappy with something like Wix or Squarespace, then it's a bit more of a headache to get all of your data over into WordPress. The next reason is the scalability. I love the way that with WordPress, your website can grow with your business. So if you think tomorrow, actually, I really want a shop in my website, you've already got it up there, but you now want to add a shop, you can just install a plugin like WooCommerce and straight away you've got your shop there very easily and without any extra costs. If you decide you're going to do online learning and you want to create a course or you want to create a membership, all of these things are super simple with plugins. The next is easy design. So within WordPress, if you use a plugin called Elementor, which is a page builder, that enables you to create pages so easily. And you can do this with the free version of Elementor, so it doesn't cost you any more. But basically you have a fully visual interface that allows you to drag and drop things and create pages exactly as you envisage them. So no reliance on themes. You know, if this header has this menu up here and you want it on the left, or you want two menus, you want it to be a different menu on mobile, all of these things are super easy to do within Elementor. And that leads me on to my next reason that I love WordPress, and that is that you don't have to write any code if you don't want to. Obviously, if you want to, there are options for that. But with plugins, which are just tiny pieces of code that you can just install onto your website, you can create anything you want and make your website into anything you want to. And the next one is SEO. WordPress is amazing at helping you do the best you can for SEO on your website using a plugin like Yoast, which again is free if you're on the basic plan. We'll just set you up and help make sure you're optimizing your posts and pages as well as you can to ensure that you have the most eyes on your website. And finally, I love the competitive pricing of WordPress. So it is free to download, but you do have to pay for hosting, but this can be very reasonable, like as low as $2 a month, depending which provider you go for. And then as you grow, you can upgrade your hosting and you'll pay a bit more, but you'll get a really good, completely flexible solution for your business. And what I love about WordPress the most is it enables my clients, both people that pay me to do their websites and students, to have the website, the exact website that they want. There's no limitations, especially if you're using the Elementor theme, so you can make the design however you want without a single line of code. And with plugins, you can have whatever you want on there. And what I see with my clients is they get more and more confident and they start doing stuff themselves, or they might research it themselves and then send me an email, what do you think of this? Which is brilliant. And that's exactly where I want my clients to be. I don't want them to be thinking, oh, I've got to ask a developer, I've got to get a developer to do everything, because with WordPress, you really do not need to do that. I hope that's helped you make a decision about whether you use WordPress for your website or not, and I do hope that it's a yes. Please let me know in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you again soon.